Rüya, sen misin?
Rüya kim?
Hello everyone. We are here with the trailer for the second episode of Eşref Rüya series. In the second episode, Eşref will understand who Rüya is, but Rüya will hide herself from Eşref because she is now an agent. There are more than one video about Eşref Rüya series on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the other videos.